back to the channel. We have just about 30 minutes to the close of today's trading session, and we are looking at the stock price of CEA Industries. And today the stock is down 16.66%, trading at $1.17. So CEA Industries provides technology, engineering, and other services to the controlled environment agriculture industry worldwide. It offers floor plans and architectural design for cultivation facilities, licensed mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineering services for commercial scale environmental control systems that are specific to cultivation facilities, and process cooling systems and other climate control systems. The company also provides air handling equipment and systems, LED lighting, benching and racking solutions for indoor cultivation, automation and control devices, systems and technologies for environmental lighting and climate control applications, and preventive maintenance services for CEA facilities. It serves commercial as well as state and provincial regulated CEA growers. The company was formerly known as Cerna Inc. and changed its name to CEA Industries Inc. in November 2021. CEA Industries Inc. was founded in 2006 and is headquartered in Louisville, Colorado. The company has 31 employees. So the big news that we had about CEA Industries occurred just yesterday when they announced that they had a contract of with a secure letter of intent from Green Brothers Farm for a potential $10 million in revenue deal. And I believe that the contract that they signed with the Green Brothers Farm is valued at $1.2 million, but it has the potential to bring in revenue worth $10 million over the course of this contract. So that sent the stock skyrocketing yesterday, and it was quite an impressive thing to watch as the stock went from it went above 100% in a single day. However, the stock closed yesterday at $1.41. It opened today at $1.26, and just to remind you guys that the 52-week range for CEA Industries has been from 95 cents all the way up to $13.50. Today's volume was higher than usual at 2.9 million shares that have exchanged hands. That occurred mostly in a gradual manner throughout the day, and the average volume is actually about 1.5 million shares that exchange hands on a typical day. The market capitalization as of this recording for CEA Industries is $9.24 million US dollars. And today actually was a good day on Wall Street. S&P 500 went up 0.22%. The Dow 30 went up 0.17%. Nasdaq went up 0.11%. The Russell 2000 went up 0.19%. Crude oil actually dropped to $106.40 a barrel, representing a drop of 2.85%. So even though CEA Industries dropped by 15.60%, guys, remember just yesterday the stock went up more than 100%. So if you had bought earlier, you are still by a wide margin still in the money, I would think, because you are pretty close to being in the money if you bought prior to yesterday. So we'll just keep a close watch and see exactly what happens. If it went up yesterday and you did not sell, then you're pretty much very close to where you started 2 days ago. So that's the nature of the beast. However, we will just keep a close watch and see what happens with CEA Industries. It looks like the cannabis sector is kind of picking up some steam and a lot of interest. So even if the stock price is close to where it was 2 days ago, I think it might have we have a lot more people on board. So we will just see how everything plays out as time goes on. One other thing, guys, before I leave, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.